Meaning of fungicide.
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 Fungicide. A fungicide is a type of pesticide used to kill, control, or prevent the growth of fungi on crops or in the environment. Fungi can cause diseases in plants, animals, and humans, and can also damage buildings, food, and other materials. Fungicides work by disrupting critical processes in fungal cells, such as respiration or cell division, causing the fungus to die or stop growing. There are many different types of fungicides available, including contact fungicides, systemic fungicides, and protectant fungicides, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Careful use is important to prevent resistance and minimize impacts on non-target species and the environment.